Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add a screen recorder to the control center on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, screen recording can be used for educational purposes such as creating tutorials or presentations, as well as for creative endeavors like recording gameplay or making video content. So, adding a screen recorder to the control center on your device enhances your device functionality and provides you with a convenient tool for capturing and sharing content. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly open Control Center on your device. Okay, so here click the three dots at the top right corner and then select Edit Shortcut Switch option. Well, so now find the screen recorder tool and then tap plus icon above it to add it to the control center. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to add a screen recorder to the control center on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.